Hi guys, welcome back. Yeah, just thought I'd try and get this little padlock open. It's a Baton 5-pin. This is one of the padlocks I had in a package from January. It was covered in shit. Soaked it for 24 hours in WD-40. I think it's 4 or 5 pin. Don't think there's any quarter pins in it. Don't feel like it. Its core's very stiff where it's had all this shit in it, but you know, it's an old lock, so trying to get it open if I can. I haven't even got a click out of it yet. I think that was a bit of a click. There we go. Yeah, like I say, this core is really stiff. So yeah, that's the Baton 5-pin brass padlock. Nothing.